Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Easy Farmer Bux. First, open the Easy Farmer Bux Telegram bot or website, then enter your account and check your current balance. Next, go to the wallet or balance section. Check the minimum withdrawal limit, which may vary depending on the payment method. You cannot withdraw until you reach this minimum amount. Now, click or tap on withdraw in the menu. Then, choose your preferred payment method. Common options may include USDT or TRC20 or PEP20, Just Cash or Easy Paisa in some regions, or PayPal. After that, enter your payment details carefully. Add your wallet address if you are using crypto, your phone number for a mobile wallet, or your email for PayPal. Double check all the details because wrong information can result in lost funds. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it meets the minimum withdrawal and fee requirements. Then confirm the withdrawal by tapping confirm or submit. Some platforms may ask for OTP verification or bot command confirmation. Now wait for processing. Withdrawals can be instant or take a few hours and sometimes longer. Check your wallet or payment account during this time. Finally, verify the payment once you receive it. If there is a delay, check the transaction status and the network type, especially for crypto. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.